Now, Oxy Reckitt-Benckiser has finalised its plan to compensate those hurt or killed by its toxic humidifier disinfectant and will begin receiving applications for compensation on this Monday. The company says up to $315,000 will be provided to the families of those categorized by the government investigation as classes 1 or 2. That is adults most likely killed by exposure to the said products. Oxy will provide almost $900,000 for infants and children who were seriously affected or died because of the chemicals. However, the compensation package is nearly identical to the one Oxy presented last month, save for one additional compensation of $45,000 if there is more than one victim in the same household. It does not address demands for compensation for victims in categories 3 and 4, those suffering who was deemed less directly connected to the humidifier sterilizer.